What's up gardeners, welcome to Karel's Gardening. As summer season is coming to a close here in Melbourne, Victoria, and many of you may have an abundance of tomatoes to pick. And you may be wondering, when is the best time to go and pick your tomatoes? Is it when it's green or is it when it's fully ripened? It can be tricky to know when's the best time to harvest your tomatoes. So today, my friend Mickey and I are going to be looking at helping you finding out what's the best time to do that. But before we begin, if you haven't already, just please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. That's going to support our channel, but also give you notification if you enable those bell notifications anytime we post a new video. So let's dive into the topic at hand. We're here in my front yard looking at those gorgeous cherry tomatoes. So I only have a few here, right? And in my backyard, I got a considerable amount of green tomatoes. But we're in the front yard here so I can actually show you when it's the best time to pick. And surprisingly, by the way, I wasn't expecting much out of those plants because I'm planting them in cow manure. This was a bit of an experiment for me this year, but it did turn out alright. I got a few tomatoes on here. So take a look at this tomato here. It's beginning to show some color, right? This is called the breaker stage. This is the point where you can confidently pick your tomato as it won't grow any bigger anymore. And it has everything that you need to continue to ripen off the vine and really going and achieving its full flavor as well. So there's nothing to be scared about picking your tomatoes when it's just starting to show some colors. So when it comes to picking your tomatoes, the breaker stage is the perfect time to do so. If you wait for them to fully ripen, I can promise you, you're probably not the only one who's wanting to pick those tomatoes, right? You got all those pests and pets potentially. My dog loves my tomatoes, who are watching too and waiting for the good time for them to have those juicy tomatoes. So now that said, if you pick them once they begin to change color, it's a win for you, right? Contrary to what most people think, the tomato doesn't need to be on the vine to ripen. The fruit is genetically programmed to age and ripen even when it's not on the vine. So to pick them, really, it's really simple, right? Gently twist the tomato or cut the grape off the vine. And instead of putting them in the fridge, just put them on the windowsill of the kitchen. This is what I do. And every couple of days, I'm going to check on them. But really, you got a few weeks after that to be able to actually eat that tomato. So check out these tomatoes. This one I picked about 3 weeks ago and it's still very firm. And those other ones there are the ones that you saw me picking earlier in this video, and they're about 10 days old now. So picking your tomatoes at the breaker stage really allows you not only to have a longer shelf life, as you can see here, but it also allows you to allow your tomatoes to ripen in the safety of your home and you getting to those tomatoes before your pests do. So this concludes this video. Thank you so much for staying to the end with me. And now you know when it's the best time to pick your tomatoes, and that is at the breaker stage, and then allowing them to ripen off the vine in the safety of your house. So if you found this video really useful, just hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this or support our channel, just hit that subscribe button. And if you want to know the next time we post a video, just hit that bell button as well, okay? And like I like to say all the time, it's never been a better time to become a gardener. So join the community and help us create a world where we are more connected to our Mother Nature.